I love this. The wind blowing in my hair, getting some exercise. I want to show off to the cute mares at the next horse show. Hey, they got some good jumps set up in here today. Oh no, here comes that farm equipment. I don't like that thing, dude. Can't you see I'm about to go over some jumps? I'm freaking out. Whoa, I want to run from it. Yikes. What? Still jump it? All right, I can do it. Man, that was tricky. I cleared the jump. Yay! My human is smiling. That should get me one peppermint candy when we get back in the barn. LOL. Hey, thanks for watching me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the like button if you like what you see and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, bye for now.